Broderick, you just walked out of the Addy Foundation Yes and seminar. What was the big takeaway for you?
Well, I thought it was very funny. The exercises you gave us were challenging, but really fun. I felt very inspired.
It was really impactful. Learning to say yes and keeping things positive really opens things up.
Specifically the part of talking to people and knowing how to listen actively to what they're saying.
I learned more about improving.
We brought you up on stage. How did that feel?
It was very nerve-wracking.
But then you got the support of the entire group. How did that feel?
It felt very calming to know that people are actually not judging you and they actually understand where you're coming from most of the time.
For me, the message really helped build stronger connections in the group activities. I felt more connected to him after that because we had a stronger conversation.
That whole lesson we did was good because not only are you connecting with other people, but you're also trying to find solutions to another way. And I liked how you can say yes to something and find alternatives.
What do you think the importance of confidence is in the workplace?
If you're not confident, then you won't be able to put yourself out there enough. So with the confidence comes opportunities.
I love it. She's coming for you, world.
Thank you, Addy Foundation, for everything you was able to give us today.
Thank you to the Addy Foundation.
Thank you, Addy Foundation.
Thanks, Addy Foundation.
Addy Foundation!